Okay, here I want to show you how to change the joystick of the L40A device. This device coming and the joystick has a problem. So we have the new joystick here and we want to show you how to do the change. So the first thing, we open all the screw. Please make sure the joystick replacement you have is exactly for the same model. And also there should not be any battery inside that and everything switched off. Remove this slowly, then open this connector which is for the battery. Make sure you are not losing the screws and all of them are accounted for. So here I want to replace this joystick, so I make a focus on that. To open the joystick there are 4 screws, 1, 2, number 3 here. I'm not sure if it can be shown, and number 4 is here. This 4 screws, just lose them. It's not necessary to be completely open. I'm losing this 2 screw in the top and 2 screw in the bottom. When you lose like half the time, then this rubber cover can be removed. So if you just want to change the rubber cover, then keep this one here and just open the head, remove the washer, remove the rubber cover. Please note that if I didn't lose the screw in behind, I could not remove the rubber cover. So that screw, it keeps the joystick tight here and make it and keep the rubber cover over there. So next step, we have to remove this screen. There are 4 screws here. That will be removed. When replacing the joystick, please note the type of the joystick and type of the remote controller you have, because we have L40 and L40A joystick. They are very similar. Actually they are same thing, just the direction of this connector is reversed in the L40. But we have new generation introduced in 2016. They have the different casing. Actually, when you look at those joystick, the casing is closed. Make sure you are replacing same type of joystick with the same device. So next step, I remove that connector. It's better to use some sort of screwdriver for help to avoid any breaking. So now, okay. Another important things in the L40A, when you want to remove the joystick, you must remove the RF card. So here is the antenna. Remove that, and just open the screws. And make sure the one you drop inside, later you take it. Because if a screw go and make contact with the electronic circuit, it will cause some trouble. So Okay, I take the screw that fall down. So here, when I remove this, I can remove the joystick. Remember the direction, it was like this. So always try to make sure that you have the correct direction. Okay, this joystick I'm replacing, the rubber cover, the head, the washer, and this one is good. So we'll save this one for another customer, because this rubber cover, most of the time you will have the trouble with that. So as you can see here, this one is opened by the customer and some item is removed on that. So I will use all the new stuff here. To return back, when you receive the repair one, you have to open the top screen. I put it on the same direction that was, remember this screw was in the right side. And you normally cannot do it in the other direction because it has a notch over here and it's just coming there with that part. So this new one, the screw are not loose, so I will just opening this. I'm loosening all that 4 screw and make it ready to installation. In the next video we'll show how you pack the joystick over there. Thank you.